Secondary National Service Scheme in collaboration with the Thiruvananthapuram District IMA Neyatankara branch daily conducts webinars at 7 p.m. with the aim of raising awareness of COVID and relieving the stress of volunteers.
എൻ്റെ പേര് അമൃത പ്രസന്നൻ. ഞാൻ വർക്കല ഗവൺമെൻറ് മോഡൽ ഹയർ സെക്കൻഡറി സ്കൂളിലെ NSS വോളണ്ടിയറാണ്.
The program Poshakathiram was implemented here. As we all know, our brothers and sisters in the coastal region are suffering due to COVID-19. In this context, 104 NSS units in the district jointly decided to distribute nutritious food to pregnant and lactating women along the coast from Kolangod to Kapil. The program has turned out to be a successful venture and I am indeed happy to be a part of it. Also, the role of nutritious food and exercise in immunity will be discussed. When the coastal areas were in triple lockdown, the nutritional status of pregnant women and children was also discussed. Based on this, 104 NSS units in the district jointly decided to distribute nutritious food to pregnant and lactating women along the coast from Kolangod to Kapil and implemented it as Poshakathiram.
കടുത്ത കോവിഡ് വ്യാപനത്തിന്റെ ഭാഗമായി
When the coastal areas were in triple lockdown, the nutritional status of pregnant women and children were in great concern. In this context, 104 NSS units in the district jointly decided to distribute nutritious food to pregnant and lactating women along the coast from Kolangod to Kapil and implemented it as Poshakathiram. The health mix was made by roasting 8 nutritious grains: soy, ragi, lentils, pulses, rice, peas, wheat, sesame and cardamom at Prakriti Nutrimix in Amachal, Kattakada.
പൊതുവിദ്യാഭ്യാസ വകുപ്പിലെ നാഷണൽ ഹയർ സെക്കൻഡറി സ്കൂളിലെ NSS സർവീസ്.
In the backdrop of a pandemic COVID-19 which has shattered the coastal areas, Higher Secondary National Service Scheme had undertaken the program Poshakathiram to distribute nutritious food to pregnant and lactating women along the coast in 5 wards by selecting the beneficiaries. I congratulate them and hope that they will undertake many more programs like this for the betterment of the society. Coastal Students Cultural Forum, with the help of Thiruvananthapuram Social Service Society and ASHA workers, delivered it to the homes of 4,770 beneficiaries at the rate of 1 kg per person.
ഹയർ സെക്കൻഡറി NSSനെ സംബന്ധിച്ച് ഏറ്റവും അഭിമാനകരമായ ഒരു സന്ദർഭമാണിത്.
Our world is suffering from a pandemic, COVID-19, and we all are making efforts to prevent its spread. As a part of charity works undertaken by Higher Secondary National Service Scheme Trivandrum and the webinars conducted, nutritious food were distributed to pregnant and lactating women and children along the coast from Kolangod to Kapil. I wish to convey regards to NSS to undertake many more projects like this. Nutritious food worth 12 lakhs in the market price was provided through the scheme. The distribution was inaugurated by Mr. Vincent MLA of Kovalam by receiving it from Pragashan, the Higher Secondary Joint Director. Distribution in Varkala Municipality was handled by Advocate Joy MLA.
ഏകദേശം 4700ഓളം വരുന്ന ഗർഭിണികൾക്കും മുലയൂട്ടുന്ന അമ്മമാർക്കുമാണ് ഈ പോഷകാഹാര പദ്ധതി നടപ്പിലാക്കുന്നത്.
പരിപാടി സംഘടിപ്പിച്ച NSSന്റെ തിരുവനന്തപുരം ജില്ലാ യൂണിറ്റിനെ അങ്ങേയറ്റം അഭിനന്ദിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഇതിന്റെ ഉദ്ഘാടന കർമ്മം നിർവഹിച്ചതായി അറിയിക്കാം.
ഹയർ സെക്കൻഡറി നാഷണൽ സർവീസ് സ്കീം തിരുവനന്തപുരം ജില്ലയുടെ നേതൃത്വത്തിൽ തീരപ്രദേശങ്ങളിലെ 4770 ഗർഭിണികൾക്കും മുലയൂട്ടുന്ന അമ്മമാർക്കും 5 ലക്ഷം രൂപയുടെ പോഷകാഹാരങ്ങൾ വിതരണം ചെയ്തു.
Namaskaram, I'm Shashi Tharoor and I'm delighted with the effort being made by 104 NSS units, National Service Scheme units, in the district of Thiruvananthapuram to help people all the way from Kolangod to Kapil, about 5,000 pregnant women, with a grant of vital assistance at this difficult and challenging time. Congratulations for your outstanding work. Thank you. Jai Hind.